Someone just ruined my childhood by doing a terrifying Peppa Pig makeup tutorial, and I'm feeling some type of way about it. What's going on YouTube? I'm your host Joss. Welcome back to InformOverload. We bring you the daily news and we have fun while doing it. If you like what we do, make sure you follow the IO team on social media. You can find our links down below. Even if you don't like what we do, follow us anyways. Be a friend. And to never miss another video, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you are always in the loop. Because how could you want to miss the Peppa Pig makeup tutorial that's making kids cry and haunting everyone's dreams? Alright. That might be a little bit dramatic, but this is seriously terrifying. It honestly looks like something right out of American Horror Story or something like that. A makeup artist named Jody Steel did one of the strangest makeup tutorials ever and completely transformed herself into the cartoon character Peppa Pig. The internet was already freaked out after finding out that the cartoon is actually 7 feet tall, which is so weird. Now, just because I think it's a little bit creepy looking does not mean that I'm discrediting her makeup skills or talent. The girl is obviously good at what she does. The video went viral with the caption that read, "Hi, I'm Peppa Pig. Do you want to transform into Peppa too? For Halloween or for arts and crafts? Here is a family-friendly realistic Peppa transformation." And boy, she was not lying. It is wildly realistic, which is what makes it so scary. At first, it's not so bad. She starts off with giant strokes of pink paint and creates the lovable little character, kind of like the face paint you would see at a carnival or at a birthday party, but then she covers the empty parts of her face with black paint to make it contrast and look almost 3D. The mouth is the scariest part because she doesn't actually use her mouth as the mouth. She paints this big black hole to give the illusion that it is in fact a big black hole. The reasoning for this? Because by the end of the video, she has covered her hair in black and her entire head has now blended with the black background behind her, leaving her Peppa painting to look like it's floating. It actually looks like her head is missing and Peppa Pig just like grew out of her neck. And the clever artist even painted a phone on her hand and did the same effect so it looked like it was floating. The whole thing is a little strange, but the tutorial generated thousands of views and is a testament to her talent, no questions asked, but the majority of Twitter was terrified. The Twitter user who initially discovered and shared the video said, "I just watched a Peppa Pig makeup tutorial and I am never sleeping again." Another one added, "The deeper you go on that Peppa Pig makeup tutorial tweet, the worse and weirder it gets. Just trust me and don't." The artist says that she wants to inspire kids to be creative and silly with their art. The transformation video is both genius and slightly disturbing, if you know what I mean. She now has almost 90,000 subscribers and has done other makeup tutorials for other characters like Detective Pikachu and Forky from Toy Story 4. So if you want to see more crazy transformations, they are up on her channel. In the meantime, let's discuss this. What do you guys think about the tutorial? Scary? Fun? Do we like it? Let me know what you guys are thinking down in the comments and show us some love by hitting that thumbs up button. For now, let's check out some other comments from some of my other IO videos. Soggy Fry says, "My mom erupts every day." Same. Beware of the moms. Chili says, "Danielle Cohn, gorgeous? Well, it's mostly her attitude that makes me want to throw a shoe at her." Well, there will be no throwing of shoes here on IO, but I actually think she's a really pretty girl. There's no way that I looked like that at 13. She's cute. James Johnson says, "Jocelyn, you are litty lit lit. No Photoshop needed. Thanks for the video." Can't say I have ever been called litty lit lit before. There's a first for everything. Joe Angel says, "I can't undo the Facetune in this video." No, you can't. There is no Facetune, but there is good lighting that you cannot undo. Alright, we are at the end here. Help a sister out and hit that subscribe button before you go. If you want to keep watching more IO videos, just click the playlist on your screen. It is right over here. I'm your host Joss, and I will see you in a future IO video.